All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're talking about why the heck aren't technicians going to training? Now, specifically, shops that are willing to pay for you to go, pay for your training. Why are you not going? I've seen a trend of shop owners having this issue where literally they're willing to send them, they're willing to pay for them, they're willing to pay for them to be there, and technicians won't go. That blows my mind that you wouldn't be running to that training. Now, we're not talking like local Napa training. We're talking ASTE. We're talking Vision. We're talking STX. We're talking TST. Big, real training events, not just the local part store stuff. We're talking real intensive training. And these technicians don't want to go, even though they're literally being paid to be there. Why the heck are you not just volunteering for that? For me, I'm always like, we need to get technicians to training. Shops need to support this. It's a really hard thing to sell to shop owners when their friends in the industry can't get their technicians to go, even though they're paying. They're paying them to be there. You know, even if that technician shows up, takes a nap in the back and eats the free lunch, at least they went. But why the heck are you not going to this kind of training? It is baffling to me why technicians wouldn't be jumping at this opportunity. You know, to go hang out with their peers and network and meet trainers like Brandon Steckler and, you know, all the other greats in the industry. Why would you not go if the shop's paying you to be there? It's crazy. Somebody like me who's pushing for the industry to provide this kind of stuff to the industry, it blows my mind how hard that makes my job when y'all are not willing to go to that training. Now, I know it's a minority amount of shops that do this. Like, I got a friend of mine that works for a shop down south. His entire shop shuts down to go to Vision or goes to STX every year. They shut down and go to any training event. They've been to most of the training events down south with Mario because the shop owner values training that much and he pays them to be there. Why would you not go? I know this was ranty, but this blew my mind. I volunteer for almost any training event I can go to. Admittedly, I'm not going to every Napa event because, you know, or part store kind of training because it can be sometimes meh. But I've gone to ones and had my mind blown. I went to a sealant class at a Napa and it was a wealth of knowledge. If you have this kind of opportunity, don't piddle it away. You're hurting the industry and hurting yourself. Go get paid to get trained. Your shop is actually supporting you, so go do it. I know this was ranty, but it needed to be said. Go to training. Even if you have to pay for it, you need to go to training. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.